Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make puffy paint. And before we start, I have a special announcement. I will be starting to do shout-outs. And all you need to do is to get a shout-out is to like this video, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then comment down below, done. And then I will randomly pick a winner, and in my next video, at the end, I'll be announcing the winner's name. Let's get right to it. The tools you need for puffy paint is shaving cream, a fork or different utensil, a bowl, and food dye. Let's get started. The first step is to open your shaving cream and put some into your bowl. Once you have an amount of what you want, you can use your fork, and if it comes out of your bowl like this, you can just put it back in. And now I'm going to be putting 2 drops of this blue food dye. And now you can just mix it like this. And if you want your color to be darker, you can just add more food dye. Now your paint is complete, and I'll be teaching you how to use it. Now I'm going to be using my paintbrush and dipping it into my paint like this. And now I'll be just drawing like a zigzag. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And don't forget, to get a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is comment down below, done. Thanks for watching, bye!